AI is no longer the future, it's the present, and it's making people a lot of money. The best part? You don't need to be a tech genius or a coding expert. In this video, I'll show you 10 powerful ways you can use AI to make money, whether you're looking for a side hustle, passive income, or a full-time business. Stick around, because at the end, I'll share a bonus strategy that could change the game for you. Let's dive in. 1. AI-powered content creation, blogging and freelancing. You don't need to be a writer to make money with blogging and freelancing anymore. AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai can generate high-quality blog posts, social media captions, and even entire ebooks for you. How to make money with AI writing. Start a blog. Use AI to generate articles, then monetize with ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships. Freelance writing. Offer AI-assisted writing services on Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. Self-publish books. Write an AI-assisted ebook and sell it on Amazon Kindle. Potential earnings: $100 to $10,000 per month. Example: people are making $5,000 plus per month by running AI-powered blogs and outsourcing content writing. AI YouTube automation, faceless YouTube channels. Did you know you can run a YouTube channel without ever showing your face or recording your voice? AI can do everything for you. How to create an AI-powered YouTube channel. AI script writing. Use ChatGPT to generate video scripts. AI voiceovers. Use 11 Labs or Murph AI for human-like narration. AI video editing. Use Pictory or Synthesia to create full videos with AI-generated avatars. Potential earnings: $1,000 on $50,000 plus per month from YouTube ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Example: some faceless AI YouTube channels in niches like finance, motivation, and tech make over $30,000 a month. 3. AI graphic design and AI art. You don't need design skills to create and sell artwork. AI can do it for you. How to make money with AI designs. Sell AI-generated art on Etsy and Redbubble. Offer AI-powered logo and thumbnail design services on Fiverr. Create AI-generated NFTs and sell them on OpenSea. Potential earnings: $500 to $10,000 per month, depending on demand. Example: people are making thousands of dollars selling AI-generated art as posters, stickers, and t-shirts. 4. AI-powered chatbots and automation services. Businesses are always looking for ways to automate their customer service, and AI chatbots are the solution. How to make money with AI chatbots. Build AI-powered chatbots using ManyChat or ChatGPT API. Offer chatbot services on Fiverr and Upwork. Sell chatbot automation packages to small businesses. Potential earnings: $500 to $5,000 per chatbot setup. Example: businesses pay $1,000 plus per chatbot that helps them save time and money. 5. AI social media management. Social media is time-consuming, but AI can manage it for businesses and influencers. How to make money with AI social media tools. Use AI to generate viral posts, captions, and engagement strategies. Automate scheduling and posting with AI tools like Jasper and Buffer. Offer AI-driven social media management to brands and influencers. Potential earnings: $500 to $3,000 per client per month. Example: social media agencies are using AI to handle multiple clients and scale their business. 6. AI stock and crypto trading. How to profit from AI-powered investing. Use AI trading bots like Trade Ideas, Tickeron, or 3 Commas. Automate crypto trading with AI-based strategies. Use AI-powered financial tools like Wealthfront for smart investing. Potential earnings varies based on market trends. Disclaimer: investing involves risks, so always do your research. 7. AI voiceovers and audiobooks. How to make money with AI voiceovers. Use 11 Labs or Murph AI to create voiceovers. Sell voiceovers for ads, YouTube videos, and podcasts. Convert books into audiobooks and sell them on Audible. Potential earnings: $50 to $500 per project, or passive audiobook income. Example: people make $5,000 plus per month selling AI-generated voiceovers. 8. AI website and app development, no coding needed. How to make money with AI website builders. Use AI builders like Wix AI, Durable, or Framer AI to create websites. Offer AI-powered web design services on Fiverr and Upwork. Automate coding with GitHub Copilot. Potential earnings: $500 to $5,000 per website. 9. AI-powered course and ebook creation. How to make money with AI-generated courses. Use ChatGPT to create course content and ebooks. Sell courses on Udemy, Teachable, or Gumroad. Publish AI-generated ebooks on Amazon Kindle. Potential earnings: passive income from $100 to $10,000 plus per month. 10. AI virtual assistants and business automation. How to make money with AI business automation. Use Notion AI, Zapier, and ChatGPT to automate business tasks. Offer AI-powered virtual assistant services. Automate emails, reports, and data entry for businesses. Potential earnings: $1,000, $5,000 per client. Which AI money-making method are you going to try first? Comment below. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more money-making strategies.